my name is Vivere. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a brand new to me, Natalie Attired. Hi, okay, so let's get this started. I'm very excited. Natalie Attired is a clothing subscription service. I am brand new to Natalie Attired. I have never ever unboxed one of their boxes before. There is a $20 styling fee, and of course that is credited towards anything you purchase. Woo! Here we go. And here is my invoice right here. So let's see, what does it say? Your $20 styling fee will be deducted from the cost of anything you keep from this collection. Plus, you'll receive an additional 30% discount if you keep it all, or an additional 20% discount if you keep 3 or 4 items. That's really nice. You have 3 calendar days from the day you receive your collection to check out and to ship back what you're returning in the enclosed prepaid USPS priority tracking envelope. Good, USPS, I sincerely appreciate that. Let's see, sharing your feedback when you check out helps us improve the quality of our service to you. If you don't respond in 3 calendar days, we will process your payment for the entire collection. Returned items must be in original condition with all tags attached. There you go. Okay, so I am so excited about this. I see something here on top. Ah, look at that. You see what I see. I know you see it. I know we're in a different filming setup. I'm trying different spots around the house, just seeing what works, what doesn't. So today, oh, there's a note. Oh, it's a handwritten note. Hi, Vivere. I hope you love the fall collection I curated for you. I look forward to your feedback. Happy fall, Renee. Renee, you have beautiful handwriting. Wow, is that Renee? Ooh, I don't think so, but let's see. Yes, here's all the information. So say 30%, 20%, and a $20 styling fee. I have this set to receive it once a month. Here's my envelope. So that's where I am for now. Ooh. Okay, that's a tag. All right, let's get into this. Oh, this is so pretty. So, you guys, this is so soft. That's, oh, there's a shirt in there. Okay, look at that. All right. Cute little black t-shirt. This is 00 spicy small. Oh, cute little v-neck tee. That's really cute. I like that to go right underneath this unbelievably soft cardigan. This cardigan is so crazy soft. All right. Oh my goodness. And it's a straight front here. I really like that. Oh, I love that. Okay. Alrighty. The cardigan is by She and Sky. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's really cute. THML and a small. This is really cute. Oh, I like that. It's a nice long sleeve, cuffed here at the, or elastic at the wrist. I really like that. That's cute. Okay. Oh dear. It's not in my budget to keep everything. All right. Oh, I love this red plaid. Okay, I really love this. Now, I am very hard when it comes to plaid. I really am quite particular, but this one, I really like this. It's red. I love red. So they must have known that. Always and Forever. This is by Always and Forever in the small. This is really super duper cute. Really cute. Okay. All right. This is going to be really difficult. Yay, jeans, yay! I have been asking for denim from everyone. Okay, these are really cute. These are by Just Black in a 27. Oh my God, these are like teeny weeny tiny. I don't know, those are very small. I'm not sure these are gonna fit me, but these are really cute. Oh, I love it. And I asked for dark wash, perfect. All right, that's perfect. Okay, now, I'm going to try everything on. I probably popped this prices up on the screen first. So this, the THML is 69, V-neck PKT top. Okay, so the black tee, 24, the leopard cardigan is 69, but you guys, it's like butter. The jeans are 59 and the plaid shirt is 39. This is mine. If this fits me, this is not going anywhere. Okay, all right. I'll be right back for the try on. Okay, so here are the jeans. These are the Just Black Petite Skinny Jean. They are $59. This is the V-neck t-shirt for $24 and the leopard print cardigan for $69. The cardigan feels a little big on me. I know they should be big, but I feel like this might be just a little too big. But I love it. I really love it. It has pockets. I know you hear my dogs. I'm sorry. I've attracted all the dogs. I hope you can see me fully. So you can see it's just above or just below my knee. Pardon me. That's little dog. That's Addie, and Joe's over there. Like I said, I feel like it's just a hair too big for me, or maybe a little more than a hair. You can see under here, but I love it. I don't know about exchanges yet. I'm sure that you can exchange. So I definitely want to talk to them about that, because this thing is amazingly soft, but the arms, it's just, I think, too large for me. But you guys, you need this cardigan. Of course, in the leopard. Everybody is after this beautiful leopard print cardigan. It's sold out like that in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So request it from your Natalie Attired stylist. So the jeans are fine. First, they feel a little small for me, but that is because they're low. Well, maybe this is a mid-rise. Maybe I am more of a high-rise or full, you know, I don't know. They're here to me, right here on me, and they fit, but I feel like, honestly, they're a little snug on me. But that may be because they stretch. I do know I have Just Black jeans. Just Black. I do know they stretch. So that may be why they're in, you know, this size. I don't know. I'm not sure what a size 27 is. Is it 4, 6? I'm 8, I'm not sure. So, you know, that could be the case here. With Natalie Attired, you do submit your measurements, which was a little uncomfortable, but the reality is that helps them really send you the right sizes. So don't even worry about it. They don't care. That's just so that they can help you be fitted properly. It's just a number. It's just a number. It doesn't define you. It's just a number. Okay, so there we go. So let's change. Okay, and here's this top. I can't remember the names of them. This is the mosaic embroidered top by THML. It's $69. So for me, I really am going to have to love this top. I think it's really, really cute. I really do. I really like it, but I don't know if I like it $69. You know what I mean? So we'll see. But it is really cute. It fits nicely. It fits well. It's not tight anywhere. You know, it's really, really cute. Perfect fall top. Perfect fall top. It's lightweight as well. It's really lightweight. So nice for here in Texas, because we're not really cold yet. In fact, it'll be a while before we're cool enough to wear a cardigan. Like, for example, next week we're getting a cold front, but our high is still 84. I absolutely love this. I truly, truly love this top. I put the black shirt on again so I could show you the inside. Look at the plaid on the inside. So I'm wondering, is it reversible? I mean, it certainly feels like it could be. I mean, why not? Can't hurt to try. So here, so if you want to wear it, you know, as just a top, I love this. This is staying with me. I can't believe right out of the gate, Natalie Attired has sent me a plaid shirt that I absolutely love. I mean, other companies have sent me several different plaid shirts, and I have been like, nope, nope, nope. This one's perfect. It's still a flannelly material, always and forever. It's still a flannelly material, but it's thin and lightweight. So it's really cute. Now, here it is all the way down. So you can see it is the right length. So, but I will always roll up the cuff because I think that's super duper cute. And if you really wanted to, you could roll it up even more for a 3/4 length sleeve. But this for me is perfect. I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. And I love that you can just wear it as a shirt, or you can wear it as like a cardigan type thing, you know, just a shirt over. And I love the coordinating patterns. I love this. I love this. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep this V-neck tee as well. I don't have a black V-neck tee, and I love this. Absolutely love this. I'm gonna have to really think about these jeans. They are a true skinny, and I didn't, at the time when I requested my box, I did request a skinny, but I think what I really am going to want is a straight leg, not a skinny. So yeah, but this is staying with me for sure. I'm gonna check about exchanging this because I absolutely love this. I love it. Like, I love it a lot. So for me to keep absolutely everything is $175. I mean, I think that's pretty good for 5 pieces. So, and no, actually that's for me to keep, no, that's totally wrong. $260 times 0.30, 78, 260 minus 78, minus 20, $162 to keep everything. So that is $32.40 per piece. That's fantastic, okay? Now, if I just keep the 3, so 69 plus 24 plus 39, it's 132 times 85.60. So divided by 3, so 28.53 per piece. So, you know, I really think that that's a great deal. So basically I would be sending back this and the denim, not because I don't love them, truly, but I just think these are the pieces that I'm going to wear the most. So even though I do desperately need denim, I think I really want some straight leg, full length denim, and these are ankle skinny. So I'm going to request that for my next box. But right out of the gate, they have done an excellent job. Natalie Attired, thank you so much. Renee, you did a great job. I sincerely appreciate this. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna leave my link for you in the description box. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're excited for fall. I certainly am. Go request this beautiful cardigan. Go request it. She and Sky, it's super duper soft. And okay, oh, it's a 1 size, so you cannot size down. So it's a 1 size, so that may change things up a little bit. It's a little too big for me, so we'll see. I have to watch the footage back to really know and really see, but it is very pretty, very soft. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.